Max has House of the Dragon, The Last of Us, Succession, Euphoria, and more. It's packed with some of the best shows on any platform. But the price? $15.99 a month. What if I told you there's a way to get Max for just $5 a month? Totally legal, and I'll show you how at the end of this video. Max, previously HBO Max, is where you find the most premium content out there. Whether it's gritty dramas, cinematic series, blockbuster movies, or award-winning documentaries, it's all in one place. If you've heard of a show everyone's talking about, chances are it's on Max. It's the home of shows like Barry, Euphoria, The White Lotus, and The Last of Us. While Netflix is about quantity and Disney Plus is all about franchises, Max is where the real prestige lives. But here's the issue. That premium content comes with a premium price. $15.99 a month for the ad-free plan. And if you already have Netflix, Spotify, YouTube Premium, that adds up fast. Most people can't afford to pay full price for every subscription. That's why we binge, cancel, rotate, and repeat. There has to be a smarter way to enjoy the shows you love without going broke. So here's the good news. There is a smarter way. One that gives you the exact same Max subscription, same shows, same quality, no tricks, but instead of paying $16 a month, you pay around $5. No VPNs, no student discounts, no region locking. It works just like a regular subscription, and anyone can use it. I've been watching Max this way for months. The experience, flawless, full HD streaming, my own profile, and zero issues. It's not some special promo, and you don't need to be a tech wizard to make it work. So if you want to start watching Max for just $5 a month, I've dropped the link in the description and in the pinned comment below. Click it, grab your spot, and stream smarter, not harder. This is Tech and Save, helping you save money without missing out. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more tips just like this.